tech giant Nvidia is bringing a major AI project to Germany. On June 12th, CEO Jensen Huang shared the news at the VivaTech event in Paris. The company will build its first AI cloud platform for factories and industry use. The cloud will help big car makers like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. It will boost things like design, safety, and factory work. It also keeps data safe by storing it inside Germany under EU laws. This new platform will offer strong tools to help with things like machine upkeep, quality checks, and faster production. Other industries such as chemicals and shipping will also gain from it. The German government supports AI growth, and this move will bring new tech jobs. The cloud is set to launch in early 2026 and will keep adding features over time. Experts say this will help make Germany a top leader in smart AI-powered industry. Stay tuned for more updates.